Hello guys, so this is the special pulse. This is locking tools for Ford Fusion, Ford Fiesta, Ford Focus. This is for the locking piecer. Okay, locking. Backside. This one for the crank sensor fully. Okay, this is the crankshaft. Okay, this is the crankshaft locking. Include this one, and this is for the fusion. Okay, and this is for the focus, EcoBoost, for the EcoBoost. This one fusion only. Okay, this is for the tensioner. Okay, this is for the guide. Okay, yan, available. Yan siya, kompleto. So I will accept rent for this one. On this one, this is for the Ford Explorer 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 EcoBoost. Okay, this is the locking camshaft. Okay, camshaft, locking tools, bank 1, bank 2. Okay, this is the tools for the piecer. Okay, this is the guide. Okay, Ford Explorer, EcoBoost and non-EcoBoost. Okay,